Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on how Genic. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the way that you can compare ChatGPT versus Google AI Studios. Starting off, let's talk about ChatGPT. This is the one that most people will be familiar with. You go to the website, you go to ChatGPT or the website, you can type in a question and you can get quick answers. You can use ChatGPT for things like writing an email or a blog post, brainstorming ideas for a project, explaining a complex topic in simple terms, and even just having a fun conversation. It is mostly designed for end users to get things done directly. You don't need to be a programmer, we just need to know how to ask questions and give in a good prompt. Now, talking about Google AI Studios, it is not normally used for conversations, it is mostly used for building applications. You can think of it as a platform to build your own application using AI. Once you're inside of the Google AI Studios, you'll have a separate platform, which is the build section, so that you can just type in prompts and build your application through the Google AI Studios platform. Along with that, it has a generate media section where you can try out different models, image generation such as NanoBanana or Imagen. So that was a quick summary and the differences about ChatGPT and Google AI Studios. Short video was helpful to you. Do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.